Welcome, everyone, to the NBA on 2K Sports. I'm Kevin Harlan, along with Greg Anthony and Brett Berry, our terrific analysts, and David Aldridge is our sideline reporter. And for the Milwaukee Bucks, they come into tonight's game after the loss to the Celtics in Boston. And it's the Warriors to start out. Pass to Gafford. And so Steve Kerr calls for the timeout. He wants a minute here to get things straightened out with his team.